Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the KEPEAK Mini Bike Pump, a compact yet powerful solution for all your cycling needs. This portable bike air pump is equipped with a digital pressure gauge and a high-performance chip, allowing it to inflate a 26 by 1.75-inch mountain bike tire from 0 to 38 psi in under a minute, and a 700 by 23C road bike tire from 0 to 100 psi in just 83 seconds. Weighing only 108 grams and measuring a mere 2.8 by 1.8 by 1.26 inches, this mini pump is perfect for slipping into your pocket, backpack, or bike saddlebag, making it an ideal companion for any cycling adventure. With its auto shut-off feature, the pump ensures safe use by automatically stopping when the desired pressure is reached, while the digital gauge provides real-time pressure readings with a precision of plus or minus 1 psi. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, this versatile pump is suitable for road bikes, mountain bikes, e-bikes, and more, offering a maximum air pressure of 120 psi to tackle any emergency. The package includes everything you need: adapters for both valve types, a ball needle, a Type-C charging cable, and a convenient storage bag. Don't forget to fully charge it before your first use, and if you have any questions, the company is ready to assist with a satisfactory solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.